Questrade is a Canadian online brokerage platform that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and more. If you're looking to make money on Questrade, here are some ways you can get started. Stock and ETF trading. Questrade allows you to buy and sell stocks on exchange-traded funds. You can make money through capital appreciation when the value of your investments increases, or by earning dividends from certain stocks and ETFs. How to earn. Open an account, research the stock market, and begin trading. Options trading. Questrade also supports options trading, which allows you to profit by buying and selling options contracts based on the underlying assets. Options trading can be riskier but offers the potential for higher returns. How to earn. Learn about option strategies, open a margin account, and start executing trades. RRSP and TFSA accounts. Using registered accounts like RRSPs and TFSAs can provide tax advantages, enabling you to keep more of your earnings. How to earn. Contribute to your RRSP or TFSA and grow your investments tax efficiently. Referral program. Questrade offers a referral program that rewards you when your friends sign up and start trading. How to earn. Share your referral link and earn cash or bonuses when your friends open and fund an account.